Guys, this is 2025 and a lot of people are still waiting till they get monetized by Facebook before they start making money. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing how we are going to be making money even without Facebook inviting you or Facebook monetizing your page. So let me read something for you guys. This person said, can an account get monetized without getting 5k followers? All right. So this is because a lot of people actually, when they hear about Facebook monetization, the only thing that is in their head is, yeah, what am I going to do so that Facebook gets to monetize me? What's the criteria? Am I supposed to reach 5,000 followers? Am I supposed to reach 60,000 followers? Right? Without knowing that they can actually start making money that very first day that they created that account. Right? So many creators do not actually care about Facebook monetization, even though they have engagement, their posts, their videos are performing very well, but they do not care about Facebook monetization. What they really care is those people that are watching their video, because as those people are watching their video, they're actually making money off it. But how now do they make the money? And that's the reason why I always say in this channel that if you want to create a page, if you want to start creating content on social media, you should actually ask yourself, what am I going to do on this platform? You know, because when you get to understand what you're going to do in that platform, you get to understand the kind of audience that are going to come to watch your video. Then the next thing you need to actually think about is, how am I going to monetize my content? So many people, when we talk about monetizing content, the only thing that comes to their head is the criteria. What are we supposed to do so that Facebook get to monetize us, or what are we going to do so that YouTube get to monetize us? Do we need 1,000 subscribers? Do we need 4,000 watch hours? Do we need 60,000 watch minutes? All those things. But without knowing that they can actually start any money from their videos, even without Facebook or without YouTube, right? So for instance, like you are starting a content, right, and you already know this is what I want to do right here, and you already know the kind of audience that your post is going to be attracted to. So the next you need to think about is, what are the needs? What do these people need? Understand, what does this audience need? What do they need? Understand, when you get to understand what your audience need, then the only thing you need to do right here is for you to provide a solution to their problem. And you providing that solution to that their need, all right, you will start making money with that. Like, let me say, for instance, when I started this channel, you know, I was making a lot of videos on reaction videos, and a lot of people actually enjoyed it. Then I've not stopped making those videos. I just rested for a while. I'll still resume making those videos, but I just want to use it as an example, right? You know, I was making video on Facebook monetization, and a lot of people actually are interested in Facebook monetization, but not everybody that wants to actually create their own original content, not everybody that knows how to create original content. A lot of people actually want to make money using people's content. So what I did is that I started making content on how to edit reaction video, and these reaction videos, when you edit it well, it will help you to be able to make money with other people's video, right? So even though that time I was already monetized on YouTube, but I wasn't making enough money. By that time, I think I was making like $50 a month on YouTube. Then my earnings was actually down. So, but I was actually making more money than what YouTube was paying me, all right? YouTube was paying me like around 50 something, 60 something dollars, 70 something dollars in a month. But from the people that I teach how to edit reaction videos, in a week I was making up to like $500, you know, because a lot of people were registering for my class, right? And I was teaching them how to actually edit reaction video. What I did is that I understood my audience, and I know these people actually, there is one thing that they need, you know. They need to understand how to make money with other people's video, right? Then I now created a course, and tell them that this course will teach you how to make money with other people's video. You understand? So many people actually bought those courses. Those courses that they were buying, YouTube no pay me, now my audience pay me. They are the one that were paying me directly, right? Then as they are buying those courses, and after taking those courses and you want to learn more, then you might actually need to register for my class. That time I started my class with $10. People were coming too much. I now move it to $20. From $20, $50 to $100. At that time, my class was $100, right? In a week, like up to like 5 people will register, which means that in a week I'm making $500. In a month, YouTube is paying me $60, $50, and in a week my class is giving me $500. Can you see? So with this, you see that I don't even need YouTube monetization as of then. I don't need them, because I've created a way for me to actually make money on my own without them. So this is the reason why I'm saying that most important thing you need is for you to understand your audience, understand their need, give them a solution to those needs. So I know some people will be like, yeah, I'm creating skits. Some people just want to laugh, blah blah blah. Yeah, your audience, they just want to laugh, but there is something you can actually present to them and they are going to buy it and you are going to make money. Some people, some artists, so some musicians actually have a clothing brand, right? Some skit makers have clothing brand. You know, you can start up your own clothing brand and showcase it and tell them to buy your brand, and they will start buying it, and you're making money off it even without getting monetized. There are a lot of things you can actually start posting affiliate links, understand, or at the end of your video you can tell them to do something, either click on the link in the description or click on the link in the comment section to check out some products, understand. You can use affiliate link. There are so many ways, right? But the people in my niche, we already know how we can actually make money off our audience. This is 2025. You don't need to depend on Facebook because you are enriching Facebook. A lot of creators on Facebook, most people actually have never earned ₦1, and they are putting in work every day. They are shooting, they are always carrying camera around, but they've never made ₦1. And this is because they don't know that they can actually make money on Facebook even without Facebook monetization. So what you need to understand is understand the kind of audience you have and figure out the need. What are the things that will be say this my audience will need, and bring a solution to it. All right, I have several YouTube channels that most of them are not even monetized, but I'm making more money from those channels than other people that their channel are monetized, due to because I'm rendering services on those channels. Even like there's a channel I created recently that I don't even want it to be monetized, so I don't even care whether YouTube monetize it. That particular channel has only 3 subscribers, right? But that channel have fetched me over, like, let me not exaggerate it, but I know that channel has fetched me over $500, right? And that channel has only 3 subscribers. Most people that are watching those videos, some of them are not subscribing, but I know that after watching that video, it will take them to my platform where they are going to buy my service, and once they buy my service, I will make money off it. So this is 2025. You should learn how to actually monetize your content even without all these people. I'm not saying that Facebook monetization or YouTube monetization is not nice. They are nice, they are paying, all right? But if you depend on those their payments, it was like it's not easy. It's not easy. All of us know it's not easy. Sometimes you have like 1 million views, and the earnings that will come out from it on Facebook is not even anything. Understand? Some people are complaining that Facebook is not paying much. Facebook is paying, but if you are depending on those earnings, man, I don't really depend on it. A lot of people are making money depending on the kind of money you want to make. Some people are making the money they feel like is big money. Understand? But you can also still be making your big money with Facebook monetization, and also be making another big money with the one you created by yourself. Understand? So create an avenue to make money on Facebook without Facebook monetization, whether you are monetized or you are not monetized, right? So this is 2025, and this is the new way a lot of creators are actually making this big money. All these cars and houses you see they are buying is not only from views or performance. They have other ways they are making money off you. All right, either from brand endorsement and all those things, right? So you just need to find a way to create the one you can. Small, you keep growing, right? So hope you learned something from this video. If you did, just hit the like button. And if you want to learn more on Facebook monetization, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, because I share amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss it, right? And don't forget to comment on this video. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.